幸福上係咁先。My man Wei, you done good. You restored order to the night market.
Well, you took a chance on me, Winston. I wanted to make sure it paid off.
You got the right attitude. It's gonna pay off for you. You'll see. You know anything about the minibus racket?
Same as everyone. If you want to drive a good route, you pay the toll.
That's right. You know the pickup on Marlboro Drive? The most profitable route in the whole fucking city. From now on, it's yours.
Thanks. I appreciate it, Winston.
Dog Eyes won't. Right now it's his route. But you know how to deal with him, huh?
It'll be my fucking pleasure.
I gotta take this. Take a few of the guys with you to back you up.
Let's go.
What's going on?
We're going on offense. Taking over Marlboro Drive. One man per stop. Anybody gives you shit,
Fuck them up.
smack them around, no killing.
What, afraid of little blood?
Dog Eyes is son on ye. We're taking the route, not declaring war.
Kicking ass is fine by me. I'll take this one.
Good job.
Yeah, kick his ass. Wait, 我諗緊 how come we're going after Dog Eyes? Shouldn't we be fighting 18K? Dog Guy came after us? This is payback. Plain and simple. What if Dog Eyes complains to Big Smile Lee? What if he sends Mr. Tong after us? Look, dude. Dog Eyes might work for Lee, but Winston answers direct to Uncle Pong. Nobody's going to fuck with the chairman. Nobody. Hey, you haven't paid. If you stop, we'll beat you.
This is our stop now.
Yeah, fuckers. Show them, guys.
Elegance, style, legendary
All right,
quality.
you good with your
From
fist.
Europe's
I'll
premier
give you that.
fashion designers, Salt's
Thanks.
House.
Yeah, we have another guy with us a while back. He was good with his fist too. Came out of nowhere. Good story. Didn't talk much. You remind me of him. A lot. Turned out he was a cop. That's why he couldn't kill anyone, see? So now we know how to spot a rat.
Good job. You know that?
You know what they do to traitors, right? When Tong is done with them, he buries them alive. 6 feet under. Nobody coming for you.
Fuck you, Conroy.
I still think about that poor fucker sometimes.
想唱歌，咁你就要唱啦，因為 Hot Song 卡拉 OK 每張台都有咪，唱上面仲有電視屏幕，無論你喺台定係喺吧都啱晒。Hot Song 卡拉。
Let's go.
No, you stay here. I'll deal with this. That's how a real man does it.
Son of a bitch.
Wait, you better get them!
Hey, you want this route, you gotta pay for it.
Are you stoned? I already paid, Dog Eyes.
for Winston now.
Winston? I don't know no Winston.
Pull over and I'll tell you about it.
You're wasting my time.
How about I break your legs and see how you drive then, huh?
I still drive better than you. I finished my own before you finished picking your nose. Winston must be recruiting dumbass peasants from across the border. You never seen a car before? Go back to your mule before you get hurt.
You gonna do comedy from your hospital bed, pal?
Everybody laugh, but you Walter Street boys. You mess with me and Dog Eyes, it's going to cut you into little pieces. You want my money? Go ask Dog Eyes for it. Okay, I'm going.
Get out of here. I'm taking your passengers.
Okay.
你估發生咩事啊？
There's a slight problem with your bus, so we're doing a change. Don't worry, people. After a quick change of drivers, we're on our way.
我好忙㗎，你知唔知塞一塞我冇咗幾多錢啊？
This is Dog Eyes World. 你老味。
人做乜嘢啊？
Hang on.
You can't drive this one. Who the hell are these guys?
Mistaken identity, people. Don't panic.
Let me off! I don't want to be a statistic.
Don't worry.
唔係有咩事啊嘛？冇嚇我啊！
撚樣！
做唔到啊，出賽！
我做咗咩？有啲咁嘅報應啊！
Get out this way. We're all police.
Just relax.
Are you on drugs?
A real bus driver never drives like this.
Buddy, don't kill us, please.
Here we are, people.
This was probably the most exciting thing that happened all week. You're not driving the Sim Sang Shui route, are you?